Lesson 20. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive means a pronoun that reflects back or refers back to the subject itself. Okay, it's called reflexive pronoun. For example, let's take if the subject is I, the reflexive pronoun for I is myself. For the subject you, the reflexive pronoun is yourself. Self is singular. For the subject he, the reflexive pronoun is himself. For the subject she, the reflexive pronoun is herself. For the subject it, it's itself. It's all singular. So we have self refers to the subject, singular subject. Let's see some plurals. Okay. If the subject is we, that is, if I and you together, it's we. If the subject is about we, it's ourselves. The subject is you, the reflexive pronoun would be yourself. The subject is they, talking about themselves as the reflexive pronoun. Okay, let's see some simple examples of usage. Here, the first example is I hurt myself. Here the self, my reflexive pronoun myself, refers back to the subject I. You hurt yourself. The reflexive pronoun yourself. You cut yourself. That is another one. He made breakfast for himself. For a man, it's he. So himself refers back to the subject he. And for a she, it is she taught herself English. Herself reflects back to the subject she. Okay? More examples. I taught myself how to build this website. Myself, because we have the subject I. Do you listen to yourself when you speak English? Yourself refers to the pronoun you. The boy hurt himself while playing hockey. The boy is he, right? So, himself. It can be referred as he hurt himself. So, himself refers to the subject he. She made herself dizzy. Dizzy means you feel unstable. She made herself dizzy by spinning around. Spinning, rotating, revolving, right? So she, that is herself, refers to the pronoun she. A computer can turn itself off to save on energy. A computer is equivalent to it, right? Itself refers to a computer. It can be written as it turns itself off. So itself refers to the pronoun subject it. So plural form, you and I together is we. We can learn for ourselves how to do many things. We goes with ourselves. You decide for yourselves to study English. No one tells you what to do. Here you is plural, you both. You, yourselves. One more. They decide for themselves where to sit in class. The teacher doesn't tell them where to sit. Look, they is the entire class. Themselves go with they. Subject they refers to the subject they. Okay, let's see some exercise. Match each question to a correct answer. Pause the video and try it yourself. Right, so here are the whole things. If you look at it in one shot, you got everything here. Pause the video and match the following. Read it loud and see which one matches, which one of this will match to the one on the right. Okay. Once you are done, now I'll reveal the answers. You have to write it down, okay, filling in the blanks. Here is the answer. Here is the answer. 1B, 2E, 3C, 4A and 5D. Go back to the exercise and fill in those answers here. Once again, take the answers and fill it here. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Let's take a quiz. Reflexive pronouns. Part A. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronoun. Okay. Please read the question, pause the video and answer it. Okay. Here is the question. Read it thoroughly and answer them. Pause the video. Second portion of it. Here's the part B. Now I'll give you the answers. Here are the answers. Go through them. Okay. Verify that with your answers and evaluate. Thanks. Goodbye.